Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on Etsy from CJ Dropshipping. Now, the advantage of using CJ Dropshipping is the shipping time and also good customer support. If you need any help, they can help you quickly. Compared, for example, if you are using AliExpress or dropship on Etsy, like there is no one to talk to. Like AliExpress will not even reply to your messages. Only suppliers can help you, but most of the time they are just going to ignore you if things get tough. Okay, so what you guys need to do now is you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping if you haven't done that already. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to create a new CJ Dropshipping account so that I can show you exactly, guys, how this thing works, how you can connect it, and what you do when you receive a sale on Etsy. Every single thing you need to know. Okay, so I have like multiple CJ Dropshipping accounts. Okay, but I'm not going to use them right now because I have to show you guys exactly, guys, how you can start from scratch. Now, as you can see, now you want to click on register, and you can register using your Google account, okay, or you can just use your Facebook account to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your create an Etsy. Okay, create an Etsy shop. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to start here from scratch. I'm going to okay, so like I said, okay, now we are going to go back to this in a few seconds. Now what you are going to do right now is to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy so that we can start importing products. Okay, so how you can do that? It's very easy. You just need to go to CJ Dropshipping, and here where it says, I'm going to show you exactly, guys, what I mean. So you want to click here on my CJ in the top, my CJ, and then you want to click here where it says authorization here in the left. Okay, authorization, and then here you will find a bunch of like platforms that you can link to from CJ. Like you can link, for example, CJ with Shopify, with TikTok Shop, AliExpress, Etsy. Okay, now you want to go to Etsy. You want to click on Etsy, and here, as you can see, it says here Etsy authorization is temporarily unavailable. Now the solution I have found is to register a Shopify store, which I'm about to show you guys how you can do the whole thing. It's very easy. Authorize your shop store to CJ, and then sync Etsy products and orders to Shopify, then sync to CJ. Now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this works. Okay, now you wanna go to you wanna create an account on Shopify. This is very, very, very important. Just create an account on Shopify and use the free trial. Okay, I'm going to do that right now, and then click on remind me next time. I'm going to click here. All right, now this is the problem here currently. Like a lot of people wanted to link their CJ to Etsy, but it's not working anymore. Okay, you have to use Shopify now to link them. Okay, so you can either dropship from AliExpress directly, which I made a video specifically about how to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress, which is the best way to dropship on Etsy currently. That's it. Yeah, you can I'm going to link a video at the end. I'm going to add the video in the end of this video, okay, in the end screens, so that you can watch it if you want. Now I'm going to create an account here on Shopify. I'm going to create a store. It says here welcome to Shopify. I don't want help signing up. I am going to use Shopify right now. Now what you need to do, guys, is, as you can see, all right, now what we are going to do is we are going to link first Shopify. Like we are going to click on authorize here. Okay, here authorize, click Shopify, and then click here. I'm going to remove this, and then click on add store. Okay, click on authorize. Now after, guys, you click on authorize, you want to click on install so that you can install CJ Dropshipping app inside your Shopify. This will make sense in a few seconds. All right, click on authorize again, click confirm, authorize. All right, now authorization success. We have successfully we have successfully linked our like CJ dropshipping to Shopify. Now what we are going to do is to start importing products from CG to Shopify, and then importing and syncing products from Shopify to Etsy. Now this will make sense in a few seconds. Now as you can see here, guys, I'm going to import a product. Let's say that I'm going to import makeup product, or I'm going to focus, like a lot of people you don't know that you can only sell handmade products on Etsy, so make sure you like list products that are handmade, otherwise your account probably will get banned, and that's not what you want. Okay, so I'm going to sell something that looks like it's handmade. All right, now this I'm going to sell this product. It looks really like it's handmade. Now avoid electronics at all costs. Don't list anything that is electronic, because like I said, Etsy focuses more on like handmade products. Now I'm going to list this one. Click on list, and yeah, here I'm going to check the images if they are the images I want. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so the description, you just need to, like, you know, if you have like anything to change here on description, you can do that before pushing the product to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to click on list it now. Okay, it says select the category, so product type, let's see, product type is handmade. I'm going to click this plus test, and I click on list it now. Okay, it says here, please enter your store price. Of course you have to enter here your store price. Okay, I'm going to go here, and the price is going to be your price. I'm going to sell this on Etsy for $20. Click list it now. Now this exact product will be listed on your Shopify store, and then you can list it from Shopify and sync it to Etsy. Now if you receive a sale on Etsy, CJ will do everything for you, and you will ship the product automatically to customer, but you will have to add money to CJ dropshipping so that you can use this money to fulfill the order and ship it to the customer. Now I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. Listed successfully, the product has been listed to your store successfully. Now I'm going to go to Shopify, and they will find this exact product, as you can see here. Now this exact product has been listed into my Shopify store, as you can see here. Okay, it looks like it's handmade and a good product. Now I'm going to go, now what we are going to do, you want to go to Shopify, click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store, so that we can download an app that will help us import products from Shopify to Etsy. So I'm going to search for Etsy, and there are a lot of like apps that will help you do that, but I like this app. It's called Shuttle Sync with Etsy. So this Shuttle Sync with Etsy will help you guys import products and sync products easily. So as you can see, it says transfer, update your products between Etsy and Shopify, transfer your Etsy reviews, orders, customers to Shopify, maintain a two-way real-time sync of stock levels. As you can see, it says automatically transfer a newly received product. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this app. Just click on install, and now after, guys, you click on install, what you guys need to do next is click on install again. Now this app offers you guys a free trial, so I'm going to remove all of this. All right, now when I click on next, now make sure to connect your Etsy to Shuttle. Okay, connect Etsy. So what you need to do, guys, is to connect Etsy, scroll down, and then click on grant access. Now that's exactly how you can link Etsy. It says here, if not all your Etsy or Shopify products are unique, now just click on save and continue. As you can see, it says here, great, Etsy is connected. Click on save and continue. Now you want to just select a location, which is CJ Dropshipping, and then we are done. Now go to the dashboard. Now if you click, for example, if you scroll down, guys, and you click on where it says here this subscription, now it has like as you can see, I always go with the basic one, which is $5 per month, but they give you guys here free trial, which is 14 days. Okay, 14 days free trial is a good amount of time so that you can like discover all the features of Shuttle. Now if you want, you can select to purchase this basic plan, which is $5 per month. Now what you guys need to do, if you click here on products, as you can see, or if you click, for example, products, you can click on Etsy products. As you can see, you want to click here on Etsy products, okay, products and Etsy products, and here it says here transfer update products. Click on transfer update products, and here it says select section, for example, only new products. Click on transfer. Now all the products that are on your Shopify store will be able to be transferred to your Etsy account, okay, and will be synced. Now if each time you get a sale, like CJ Dropshipping will automatically like ship the product and feel like they will do everything, okay. So I'm finished. Now currently I don't have any product here on the Shopify store because I just created this, guys, to show you how to like link CJ to Etsy. Now as you can see, I'm going to click here. Yep. All right, now as you can see, guys, you want to like make sure to create Etsy seller account, okay, in order to start like importing products to your yeah, it will take to your Etsy. Now it will take a few seconds, okay. After that it will say finished, and then you want to go to your Etsy and you will find the products on your Etsy accounts, okay. Like I said, this is just a new Etsy account, that's why I am not able to import products to Etsy, because I didn't add like the bank details and stuff like that. Now like I said, you can just you can also click here on transfer update. If you want, you can transfer only duplicate update only duplicate update only duplicates, or you can select here duplicates and new products, but I always go with the new products. Now like I said, you just need to click on transfer, and it says here at initialize like finished, as you can see. Now all the products will be imported to your Etsy shop, okay. Now like I said, you just need to focus on driving traffic to your Etsy and make sure everything is like set correctly. Now that's it. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. And like I said, you want to click the video in the screen right now to start learning about how you can dropship on Etsy from AliExpress, which is the best way to dropship. I don't really recommend using it like CJ dropshipping because you don't have like much control. So I dropship myself from AliExpress, which is the best supplier online in the world for me. So just click the video on the screen and everything will be explained in the video. Make sure to drop a like and see you guys next video.